Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. In this video, I will tell you about the ear speaker problem in your device Vivo T1x. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the ear speaker, or you can say the calling speaker of the device, you can fix it by the methods I will show you in this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the ear speaker problem in your device. Let's watch it.